Welcome back. In this video, we will install Python on our machine. For installing Python, just open this link in your browser python.org/downloads. The link is given to you as reference material of this chapter. From this page, we just need to download the Python as per our machine platform. In my case, it is Windows. So let me install it. You may see a different version depending on your machine, operating system, and the time when you are watching this video. As of the recording day of this video, I am getting Python version 3.9.2. You may get a newer version here. Just make sure that you are getting Python 3.x.x. Now let me click this button download. Now as you can see that the Python downloading has started. Now as the Python has been downloaded, we can simply install it. Let's click here to start the installation. Now we need to click here on the install now. It will install Python 3.9.2 on our machine, including the pip and its documentation as well. Just make sure that you are checking this particular checkbox that we need to add the Python 3.9 to our path. So let me check it. And then we say install now. Okay, just press yes here. Now the setup is complete. Okay, so I'm closing it here. And now to verify the Python installation, we just need to open the command prompt and see whether Python is working there or not. So let me open the command prompt. Now on the command prompt, just type Python. Now just notice the change in the prompt. You are getting the Python prompt and you can notice that it is displaying the Python version Python 3.9.2. If you are getting this prompt, then Python has been successfully installed on your machine. We can just try out one Python command on this prompt. Just say print hello, type in print, and then in parentheses, just say hello. And we get the output hello. With this, we have verified the successful installation of Python on our machine. To come out of the Python prompt, just say quit and parenthesis and press enter. Now we have come back to our original command prompt. In case of any problem or any query regarding the installation of Python on your machine, you can raise it in the Q&A section on the portal. This was our first step in getting our environment set up. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.